Thank you. Now, good afternoon, my dear viewers, our parents in Kijani group of schools. My name, as you all know, is your favorite principal, Principal Sarah, and today I'm introducing myself on the other side that you are not very familiar with. I have told you in the past that I am a teacher by training, and in the junior school, I'm taking the boys and girls through the Culinary and Design subject. And this I'm doing with a team of other, like 2 teachers, so we are 3. And what I'm holding today is work that has just been brought to my office. This is all practical work for textile. This is grade what? This should be grade 7. Yeah, this is grade 7 North. And the kind of work we give them is to bring to help them learn stitches. They began by making such a beautiful portfolio. This for Esther. And a portfolio, for those who are of my age, is what we used to call files. So this is an own-made portfolio with so many pages. And in this portfolio, a student is supposed to be creative using the art skills that they have learned in art classes. So we are combining art and now the textile that I major in. And all these are folders that were made by students. They click here using the paper punch, and then they use iron to tie and make this one a complete file. Now, over and above this, they also were given, or I gave them some work to research and write through identification of stitches that they have learned since grade 6. And in this, I can see this is Jeanette Monjiro. This should be grade 9. These are designs for grade 9. She was able to identify the running stitch, the back stitch, the split stitch, the stem stitch, and finally the hemming stitch. Now, from the portfolio, they did this work from the papers. And now the most interesting but very taxing was now making the stitches on materials like this. So we gave each one of them such a piece of paper, such a piece of fabric, and all these are cotton fabrics, same measurements. So they were able to show us those stitches on the fabric using a needle and the threads which we gave them. So you can see Monjiro was able to do the hemming stitch on one side of this fabric, and then from there I can see the running stitch. From the running stitch I can see the split stitch, and then we have the back stitch, and finally the tacking stitch. This is awesome work. Now, with all these parents, trust you me, but by the time they are doing the agri-nutrition, the last 2 topics in grade 9, they'll have understood these things very well. So we keep encouraging them, and by and by we shall be there. Okay, thank you. See you later.